Hi Cancer, and this is your How Do They Feel About You love readings for the month of June 2020. So please keep in mind that as always these readings are purely general and take them as they resonate with you. Alright, so let's see what your special someone has in store for you. And you can now find me on Instagram, Facebook, or my website at Divine Enchantress. Also, I welcome all the new subscribers and cross watchers of the channel. So let's see, Cancer. What do we have for your June now? I would recommend that you please check out the channels. For your monthly in detail readings as well as your weekly updates. All right. So let's see, Cancer. How does your special someone feel about you for the month of June 2020? All right. So let me just shuffle these cards. All right. Let's see. Sorry, but again I have a very beautiful ancient deck, a very traditional deck, which are the gypsy cards. So let's see what message they have for you. It is money and it is joyfulness. So beautiful. As you can see, Cancer, it is money and joyfulness. All right, and now let's see for how does your special someone feel about you. All right. Okay. So, Cancer, your special someone feels that you are involved with someone else. So, now I apologize if this does not resonate with all of you, but there could be a possibility that your special someone feels that you could be in a relationship with someone else, or you could be involved in a flirtatious or a casual affair with someone. Now this could be for some of you who are very secretive, or your special someone could be keeping that distance, maintaining that distance, because they see that you are a joyful person. Otherwise they could just see you as someone who is flirty and happy, and who's not open for something very serious, or who's not ready to offer something more. So Cancer, overall, if I say your special someone wants to take this ahead with you, but they are not sure if it will balance out the energies between you two. So the issue over here is, Cancer, that maybe you have shown that you are way too inclined when it comes to your career, or otherwise you have been on a friendly note with them, even though so maybe they do not have a complete clue about your feelings, could be reciprocating to theirs as well. So Cancer, it's time that you try to show your feelings, show your true essence to them, because at the bottom of the deck we have, as you can see, the Five of Wands. Now the Five of Wands, Cancer, over here shows us that your special someone feels that you are too much in a good demand. You are completely loved and wanted by too many people, and reaching you, or winning your heart is a little tough, is a little difficult situation for them. So Cancer, I would say that if you are and sometimes Cancerians can be very tricky when because you being a water sign, the other person, for the other person it becomes very tricky to actually understand what is even on your mind. So Cancer, I would say, for on a very safe and a very good note, if you are equally interested in someone, then do not give them the competitive feels, that, or do not make them completely feel insecure. You could also be dealing with someone or an ex that is trying to communicate with you, but they aren't sure if you've moved on. So, or you, if you are dating, or if you are with someone else. So all in all, Cancer, I feel that they did not have a very good time with letting you go if in an ex situation. All right, so for some of you I would say that they had a difficult time letting you go. All right, and now they feel that you could be involved with someone else. They see that you're being joyful, you are being happy, and they are not sure, or otherwise whatever the circumstances, because I see joyfulness and money as the theme cards over here. So whatever the circumstance that is Cancer, they feel that they have to compete for your attention. All right, and this is like an empowering feeling for you, for most of you, I feel, because you have had, you have been in a place, in a position where you have not really been approached, or you never really felt, you're enjoying the attention, I would say. You're enjoying giving the getting all the feels from this person, because you are a very intuitive sign, Cancer. You can completely understand and know that if a particular person is into you, this person likes you, or if they are stalking you. So I would say, Cancer, you are being stalked to a particular extent, and this person is not sure if you have more competitors, if he she has more competitors to face, so they are insecure. If you are already with someone in a relationship, or your devilish charms are only gonna haunt them, and they maybe, or they have this insecurity that the feelings are not reciprocated. So Cancer, I would say, if you are testing someone right now and you aren't sure what they feel about you, for some of you, I would say that there is a chance that the ex could be stalking you, or could be trying to get back in your good books, or there could be attempts coming through, and they could be either feeling that you, and could be either liking that it is money, and you're being joyful, you're keeping your options open, you're focusing on career. So all of these aspects is making this person insecure, Cancer, at the moment. Is making this person feel that you are on a pedestal, which you deserve, of course, and which is a beautiful, wonderful thing. But Cancer, if you also have feelings for this person, then I would say be a little available. Just try to express your emotions equally, all right, so that they shouldn't be just disappointed and leave, but they should also know if you are genuinely interested, then you can take it ahead. But otherwise, for those who have to ask if this could be your energy or the person you're dealing with, if you have to ask for someone new over here, I would say that this person also likes your energy, likes your vibe a lot. All right, they are also trying to figure out that if you are with them, or you are also with many people, because they feel that you are quite joyful, quite approachable at the moment. They like your energy, they like your vibe, and they are not sure how many competitors they have again for from your life. So you are giving insecurity, Cancer, to a lot of people, I would say. And touch wood, I see overall, as far as feelings, this person's insecurity shows that they have feelings for you. Even if this is a new person in your life, I would say that they are interested, and if they are investing into you, then I would say kindly reciprocate to these feelings, and see if this grows out to be something very beautiful. So thank you so much for watching, Cancer, and I hope you have a beautiful month of June. You will find all the other detailed love readings and other weekly readings as such in the on the channel. So please to like, subscribe. I really appreciate all the support and love that comes through from you all. Thank you so much, and have a very blessed time. All right, see you soon. Bye.